Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Creality Sermoon P1 3D scanner. I have looked through the internet, analyzed its features, compared it with other scanners in this category, and by the end of this video, I'll tell you whether the Creality Sermoon P1 is actually worth buying or if you should consider something else. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. 3D scanning has become extremely valuable for engineers, designers, and automotive enthusiasts because it removes the need for manual measurements and allows real-world objects to be converted into precise digital models. But not all scanners are equal, and what separates a good one from a professional tool is accuracy, consistency, and how easily it fits into real workflows. The biggest highlight of the Sermoon P1 is its tri-mode scanning system. It combines blue laser and infrared scanning to handle different types of objects. The blue laser mode is designed for detailed work, capturing edges and complex geometry with high precision, making it useful for mechanical parts and reverse engineering. The infrared mode is better suited for larger objects, allowing faster scanning with stable tracking and smoother coverage. Accuracy is one of its strongest selling points. With up to 0.02 mm precision and 0.06 mm per meter volumetric accuracy, is capable of producing highly detailed digital models. This level of precision is especially important for automotive modifications, product development, and engineering tasks where even small errors can affect the final result. One of the most practical features is standalone operation through the built-in 6-inch touchscreen. This means you don't always need a laptop to operate it. You can scan, preview, and manage projects directly from the device, which is extremely useful in workshops, garages, or field environments where mobility matters. At the same time, it also supports PC mode for users who want more processing power and advanced control. This dual setup gives flexibility depending on the workflow. You can use it independently for quick tasks or connect it to a computer for more complex scanning and processing. The handheld design also makes a big difference in real-world use. Since scanning often involves moving around objects like car parts, machinery, or prototypes, the lightweight and ergonomic design helps reduce fatigue and makes long scanning sessions easier to manage. Another strong advantage is its versatility. It can be used for automotive modification, reverse engineering, replacement part creation, and product design. Instead of relying on manual tools and measurements, users can directly generate digital models and move into CAD workflows much faster. However, this is not a beginner toy. The Sermoon P1 is built for serious users, and getting accurate results requires learning proper scanning technique, controlling environment conditions, and understanding how to optimize scans. There is a learning curve, especially for first-time users. It is also priced as a professional tool. That means it may not be suitable for casual users who only want to scan simple objects occasionally. For basic hobby use, there are cheaper alternatives that might make more sense. But when you look at the full package, the Creality Sermoon P1 delivers strong value for professionals. You get tri-mode scanning, high precision, standalone touchscreen control, PC compatibility, and a workflow designed for real engineering and design tasks. So, should you buy the Creality Sermoon P1 3D scanner? After looking through the internet and evaluating everything it offers, my answer is yes for professionals, engineers, designers, and automotive users who need high-accuracy scanning and reliable performance. It is especially useful for reverse engineering and custom fabrication work. If you're a casual user or only scanning occasionally, it may be more than you need. But if accuracy, flexibility, and professional-grade output matter, this is a strong and capable tool. Overall, the Creality Sermoon P1 is a serious 3D scanner built for real-world engineering and design workflows. It focuses on precision, usability, and flexibility, making it a solid option for users who need dependable scanning results.